Hey, welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. We're going to talk about our recent trip to Florida. Callen, where did we stay?
Vistana Resort.
Did you like it there?
Yeah.
So one of the advantages to staying there is we get to cook right in the unit because it's a 1,200 square foot 2-bedroom unit. So with that kitchen, you can make any meal you want. And Callen, you have a special recipe. What's it for?
Meatballs.
So he whipped up a spaghetti and meatball dinner, and it was delicious. And I'll put some pictures in right here. Okay, and one of the great features about this resort is swimming. How many pools do they have, Cal?
7.
7 pools, and we did 7 pools in 7 days.
And that's what we're gonna name the video.
Right, so you'll see a subsequent video where Callen checks out 7 pools in 7 days.
Yeah.
But I'll put a clip into those pools right now so you can kind of see what they're like. And what was your favorite pool?
Number 6.
So number 6 was the Falls pool, and it had a water slide. Callen, what pool are you in?
Cascade pool.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Look at you going under the water. Gonna tip pretty soon.
Oh, I'm only doing it one time.
Okay.
Let's freeze it.
Are you gonna get in the pool and warm up? So on the way back from checking out the pool, Callen noticed a playground, and his brother Emmerich likes to play on playgrounds, so we stopped and checked it out. What did you think of that playground?
Good.
So let me put some video in of the playground right here.
We should get the playground on video. This is the playground.
And there's a lot to do in that area besides just going to Disney parks. So what was one of the things we did when we were there, Callen?
Bowling.
We did some bowling at the AMF Bowling alley, and that was right in Kissimmee. So I'll put some video in of us bowling in Kissimmee, Florida, where it's Kissimmee all day and Kissimmee all night. Let's see where it does.
Well, it's not bounce too much.
No,
Unless
no.
it comes back.
No.
Nope.
Okay, here goes. Here goes in, Doug.
Emmerich, don't put your hands out of there. Emmerich, look at me.
My ball's gonna come.
Emmerich, here.
Got a bunch of them.
Good pitch.
My ball's gonna, I might get.
You got a spare? got a chance. It's got a chance.
Keep going.
Say cheese. And because this area is a kind of a touristy area, the mini golf courses are pretty exceptional. And Callen, did we enjoy a little mini golf?
Yeah.
So what kind of golf course did we check out?
The Hawaiian golf course.
So I'll put some video into that golf course right here. Here we have a Maggie spotting down here. That is the new PhD out of Northwestern, and her friend Brittany and his fiance. There's Shannon, and there's Beth. A little behind schedule. And another great thing to do there is to go to Showcase of Citrus. Now this is on Route 27 in Claremont, about 15 minutes from Disney, from Disney's Animal Kingdom. And what did we do there, Callen?
Ride a monster bus.
And how big is that monster bus?
The biggest monster bus ever.
Yeah, it's in I think in the Guinness World Book of Records for the largest monster bus. And I'll put some video in of Showcase of Citrus and our monster bus ride right here. But there is a subsequent video where you'll see the entire ride, and you'll see the kids feeding Joe the camel.
Yeah. This is the largest monster bus in the world.
All right, did it look like fun?
Yeah.
Let's do it, man. Go ahead, give me an apple.
He likes it.
Yeah.
Now, if you want to enjoy Disney parks and don't really like the crowds, one of the things you can do is you can book a fishing trip on Bay Lake at Disney. And that's a really cool adventure. You can go 2 hours, 4 hours, or 6 hours, and it's a lot of fun. So, Callen, what did you think of fishing at Disney?
Good.
So what kind of fish were you catching?
Bass.
You're catching largemouth bass, and we'll put some video in right here of Callen and Emmerich catching bass at Walt Disney World.
We gotta do
You
a
got
howl.
one on there, buddy.
Do it.
Keep reeling, Emmerich.
Good job, Emmerich.
You lift him right in.
There we go, there's Doug.
Yours is bigger than mine, Emmerich.
Hold that in front of Emmerich.
Emmerich.
Look at that, doubled up. Look at that, nice fish, Mr. Emmerich. Good job. Yeah, look at him. All right. All right, Callen, your turn. Good job. What do you think of that fish, Callen?
Good.
All right, you gonna show your teacher that? All right, go ahead, toss him back.
You got one, Emmerich?
Doug, you got another one?
Got another one.
Oh, wait, let me get a shot here. All right, I think Emmerich's on one.
Yep.
So once you get off the boat, now we went out of the Wilderness Lodge. So when we got back from the boat, Callen, where did we eat lunch?
Geyser Point.
So they have a great lunch menu there, and it's right on the lake, so you get to watch the boats go by as we had lunch there. So it was pretty cool over there. So let's put in some video of Geyser Point. Here it is. So if you're out fishing on Bay Lake at Disney and you want to eat at a great little spot, over at the Wilderness Lodge, right at the waterfront, is Geyser Point. Now you can't make a reservation unless you're here. So you know, you can't call and make it days in advance. You have to be here when you make your reservation. So this is Geyser Point. You got the chairs out front, you got a nice bar, seating underneath. That's the pool over there. The docks are there, and of course here's the lake. So you got great views and really good food. One of the places that I love is Flipper's Pizza, and there's several of them down there. And we ordered Flipper's Pizza, so we brought it back for dinner. What'd you think of that pizza, Callen?
Good.
Yeah, it was really good pizza, and check it out. We'll put it in right here. No trip to Central Florida is complete without a stop for some Flipper's Pizza. And some wings.
Oh, this one.
Okay. Whose is this?
Yeah, there was a tornado warning when we went to get pizza.
Yeah. So we were listening to the tornado warning, but we wanted our pizza.
Yeah.
So we just stepped on the gas pedal a little bit, and we got back to our accommodations at the Sheraton before the warning took place. Now, nothing happened. It didn't come near there. It was north of us. But we did get our pizza and drove through the area while the warning was coming up. And we did do one Disney park. We went over to Animal Kingdom. This was the first park the boys did. And what was your favorite ride at Animal Kingdom?
The animal safari.
Yeah, so the safari ride takes you through an area where you see all different kinds of animals. Your BBB tip of the day, the earlier you go, the more likely you are to see animals. So you want to check that out in the morning. Would you do that ride again, Callen?
Yay! 700 times.
All right.
They're about two-toed ungulates, both ruminants. Not really, if you think they're unique, it turns out. Over the X-Water hole, there's a whole flamboyance.
Flamingo. Posse.
Got him. More specifically, these are greater flamingo, largest and least pink flamingo. The pink coloration from the beta keratin found in the diet of brine shrimp.
Ducks.
Might see some that look a little bit different than others. Got some grayness on the top of their heads and necks. Those are juveniles, about 15 months old. Rest pretty much full grown. If you ever see any that are like dark brown and really short, those are ducks.
And another thing we decided to do is go to Gatorland. So Gatorland is this place where you can interact with alligators, and you got to feed the gators.
Uh-huh.
And what did you try?
Gator.
He tried gator bites. And what did you think of those gator bites?
Yuck. Too
Yeah.
spicy.
But he tried them, and that's what's important. All right, so here's some video of Gatorland. What you doing, Callen?
Feeding alligators.
Test 1, 2. Alrighty, guys. The junior jumperoo stand will be closing down in less than an hour. So take that opportunity to come up and feed the baby alligators if you'd like. It's 3 fish for 5. You get 1 pole. You can do 6 fish for 10 and get 2 poles. 9 for 15. You get 3 poles, or you can do a bucket of fish. It's 20 fish for $20. Now, after you are done with the fish, make sure you guys wash your hands with soap over there, or your hands will be smelling like fish like me all day. Hey guys, how y'all doing?
Good job, Callen. There's Mr. Emmerich.
Alright, so we can do 3 for 5, 6 for 10, 9 for 15, for 22.
So Callen, this was the first time in this series of videos that you were working the camera. How'd you like being a camera operator?
Good.
And how'd you like narrating the 7 pools in 7 days video?
Good.
There we go, check it out. So that was our trip in 2024 to the Sheraton Vistana Resort. If you liked this video or it helped you, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to know each time we put up a new video, consider ringing that little bell. And also, if you give it a thumbs up, it reaches a wider audience. But more important than all that,
Go have some fun out there.
hey, thanks for watching.
See you on the next video.